Weldarc, powering precision since 1993. Founded by visionary minds, Mansoori Weldarc India Pvt. Limited. With a dream to deliver world-class fabrication solutions. From a modest workshop to a trusted national brand, Weldarc has built a legacy of innovation, precision, and reliability for over 25 years. A leading manufacturer of laser cutting machines, CNC plasma, and flame cutting systems, H-beam welding lines, Weldarc continues to redefine industrial excellence. Every Weldarc machine is built for performance, durability, and accuracy, powered by advanced CNC control and laser technology. Backed by globally recognized quality certifications, Weldarc stands for quality that meets global standards. Behind every innovation lies a strong in-house setup, featuring VMC machines, laser and plasma cutters, CNC bending systems, and a dedicated fabrication workshop where ideas take shape. Serving industries from automotive and construction to shipbuilding and heavy fabrication, Weldarc empowers India's industrial growth. Trusted by over 1,500 satisfied clients, including Tata, Yamaha, Ace, JBM, JCB, Escorts, and more. Driven by a passion for excellence and backed by a team of skilled engineers, Weldarc provides end-to-end support from design to after-sales. Weldarc, a legacy of innovation, a commitment to quality, a vision for the future. Join the legacy, build the future.